Welcome to my channel Crypto Anand. In this video, I am going to be talking about what is Bitcoin, how Bitcoin works, and all you want to know about Bitcoin. This video is going to be a very important video. I will explain everything about Bitcoin. Do not skip this video. Watch till the end. Every step is very important and it is very knowledgeable. Please watch this video till the end. Okay, let us see what is a Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created by Satoshi Nakamoto, a pseudomonas person or team who outlined the technology in 2018 white paper. It is an appealingly simple concept. Bitcoin is digital money that allows for secure peer-to-peer transaction on the internet. Unlike services like Venmo and PayPal, which rely on the traditional financial system for permission to transfer money and on existing debit or credit accounts, Bitcoin is decentralized. Any two people anywhere in the world can send Bitcoin to each other without the involvement of a bank, government, or any other institution. Every transaction involving Bitcoin is tracked on the blockchain, which is similar to a bank's ledger or log of customers' fund going in and out of the bank. In simple terms, it is a record of every transaction ever made using Bitcoin. Unlike a bank's ledger, the Bitcoin blockchain is distributed across the entire network. No company, no country, or third party is in control of it, and anyone can become part of that network. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. This is digital money that cannot be inflated or manipulated in any way. It isn't necessary to buy an entire Bitcoin. You can buy just a fraction of one if that's all you want or need. We will know some basics of Bitcoin. Since Bitcoin's creation, thousands of new cryptocurrencies have been launched, but Bitcoin, abbreviated as BTC, remains the largest by market capitalization and trading volume. Depending on your goals, Bitcoin can function as an investment vehicle, a store of value similar to gold, a way to transfer value around the world, even just a way to explore an emerging technology. Bitcoin is a currency native to the internet. Unlike government issued currencies such as the United States dollars or euro, Bitcoin allows online transfer without a middleman such as a bank or payment processor. The removal of those gatekeepers creates a world range of new possibilities, including the potential for money to move around the global internet more quickly and cheaply, and allowing individuals to have maximum control over their own assets. Bitcoin is legal to use, legal to hold, and legal to trade in many countries and can be spent on everything from travel to charitable donation. It is accepted as payment by businesses including Microsoft and Expedia. Is Bitcoin a money? It has been used as a medium of exchange, a store of value, and a unit of account, which are all properties of money. Meanwhile, it only exists digitally. There is no physical version of Bitcoin. Who created Bitcoin? The really grasp how Bitcoin works, it helps to start at the beginning. The question of who created Bitcoin is a fascinating one because a decade after inventing the technology, and despite a lot of digging by journalists and members of the crypto community, its creator remains anonymous. The principles behind Bitcoin first appeared in a white paper published online in late 2008. by a person or a group going by the name Satoshi Nakamoto. This paper wasn't the first idea for digital money, drawing on the fields of cryptography and computer science. In fact, the paper referred to earlier concepts, but it was a uniquely elegant solution to the problem of establishing trust between different online entities where people may be hidden like Bitcoin's own creator, by pseudonyms or physically located on the other side of the planet. Nakamoto devised a pair of intertwined concepts, the Bitcoin private key and the blockchain ledger. When you hold Bitcoin, you control it through a private key, a string of randomized numbers and letters that unlocks a virtual vault containing your purchase. Each private key is tracked on a virtual ledger called the blockchain. When Bitcoin first appeared, it marked a major advance in computer science because it solved a fundamental problem of commerce on the internet. How do you transfer value between two people without a trusted intermediary like a bank in the middle? By solving that problem, the invention of Bitcoin has wide ranging ramifications as a cryptocurrency designed for the internet. It allows for financial transactions that range across borders and around the globe without the involvement of banks, credit card companies, lenders, or even governments. When any two people, wherever they might live, can send payments to each other without encountering those gatekeepers, it creates the potential for an open financial system that is more efficient, more free, and more innovative. That, in a nutshell, is Bitcoin explained. How Bitcoin works. Unlike credit card networks like Visa or payment processor like PayPal, Bitcoin is not owned by an individual or a company. Bitcoin is the world's first completely open payment network, which anyone with an internet connection can participate in. Bitcoin was designed to be used on the internet and doesn't depend on banks or private companies to process transactions. One of the most important elements of Bitcoin is the blockchain, which tracks who owns what, similar to how a bank tracks assets. What sets the Bitcoin blockchain apart from bank's ledger is that it is decentralized, meaning anyone can view it and no single entity control it. If you want to know more about blockchain, I have uploaded some other videos you can watch in my channel's playlist. Here are some details about how it all works. Specialized computers known as mining rigs perform the equation required to verify and record a new transaction in the early days. A typical desktop PC was powerful enough to participate, which allowed pretty much anyone who was curious to try their hand at mining. These days, the computer required are massive, specialized, and often owned by businesses or large number of individuals pooling their resources. The miners' collective computing power is used to ensure the accuracy of ever-growing ledger. Bitcoin is inextricably tied to the blockchain. Each new Bitcoin is recorded on it as it is each subsequent transaction with all existing coins. How does the network motivate miners to participate in the constant essential work of maintaining the blockchain, verifying the transaction? The Bitcoin network holds a continuous lottery in which all of the mining rigs around the world race to be the first to solve a math problem. Even 10 minutes or so, a winner is found, and the winner updates the Bitcoin ledger with new validated transaction. The price changes over time. As of yearly 2020-21, each winner of this raffle was awarded 12.5 Bitcoin. This is what all about Bitcoin. If you have come to my channel for the first time, please subscribe for more videos and press the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.